Assalamu alaikum and welcome to a digital tutorial of Science Prep 2. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 2, Classifying Plants and Animals, from page number 28 to 38. In this presentation, we are discussing the characteristic due to which living thing classified. Number one is anatomy. Anatomy means the shape and the body structure of living organism. Second is development of our body and life cycle of living things. Evolutionary history means how living things started, and genome means the genetic materials exist in living organisms. Now here a question arises that what is the purpose to classifying living things? So the main purpose to classify living things is to understand the diversity and variety of creature present in this world. Very firstly, a Swedish botanist, Dr. Carl Linnaeus, introduced the way to classify the living organism into a taxonomic group. For example, here we have discussed the taxonomic group of modern man. Means here we are having 8 groups. Number 1 is a common name. It's a modern man. Then the kingdom is Animalia, and phylum is known as Chordata. Class is Mammalia. Order is Primata. Family is Hominidae. Genes is Homo, and species is Homo sapiens. Scientists believe that Homo sapiens related to Homo habilis, although Homo habilis exist in Stone Age. Their family and genus are same as Homo sapiens, but now their physical appearance has been changed. In this slide, now we are gonna discuss the classification of plants. Plants can be classified into two: vascular plants and non-vascular plant. Firstly, we discuss about non-vascular plants. Non-vascular plants are the most initial plants on earth. They are small in size, simple leaves, no true roots, and they reproduce by spores as they don't have xylem and phloem. Here are some examples for non-vascular plants: moss, liverwort, and hornwort. In this slide, we are going to discuss about some features of vascular plants. As vascular plant appeared on earth after non-vascular plants, they have xylem and phloem. They grow taller as they able to survive in dry areas. Vascular plants can be further divided into two parts: vascular plants without seed and vascular plants with seeds. Now, first we discuss about vascular plant without seeds. Firstly, its appearance. As it is mentioned from its name that these plants don't have seeds and flowers. They reproduce through spores, mostly found underside of the leaves. And the examples of vascular plants without seeds are ferns, as you can see in the pictures. Now comes the vascular plants with seeds. As it is mentioned that these plants can reproduce from seeds, and it can be further divided into two parts. It's gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperms are non-flowering plants, as angiosperms are the flowering plants. Gymnosperms are vascular plant, consist of leaves, stems, roots, and seeds, but no flowers. Their seeds are open, means not enclosed inside the fruit or flower. On the opposite hand, angiosperm are the vascular plants with seeds, stems, and roots. They have flowers and seed to reproduce, and their seeds are enclosed. Here are some examples for gymnosperms: pine, fir, juniper, ginkgo, cycad, and cedar. Now comes the example of angiosperm: rice plant, duckweed, kapok, tree, sunflower, lotus, and palm tree. Now comes the written task which you all have to do in your notebooks. Number 1 is review question number 1 and 2. Then we have questions: why is there a need to classify living organisms? Number 2, on the basis of which characteristics can living thing can be classified? Number 3, how modern man is classified into taxonomic group? I hope you all have understood each and everything very well, and you can be able to do your written task as well. Thank you.